How's it going, guys? My name's Rami. Welcome back to another episode of RQ's Garage. Today's video, we got a really cool product review from a custom company up in Canada. Let's go check it out. So this cool company reached out to me from Canada. It's a company that makes customized text, customized badges, and custom LED plates. It has a bunch of decals that you can add accessories to your vehicle. It's a pretty cool company, and I'm really happy they reached out to me. So today, we got a couple cool things we're gonna review. I requested some items, and I'm really excited I got them here, but we got this really cool Spider-Man LED light that you can put in your car. It looks like you can connect it on the grill, or you can put it somewhere on your body, or even have it hanging inside your window and have it shine outside, which this is pretty cool. So this is number one. I'm excited to try it on and turn it on. Next up, we got some really cool custom cup holder trays. These are just little accessories you put literally in your cup holder, and it just gives that little extra wow. I went for the classic Spider-Man. As you can tell, Spider-Man is my favorite superhero. But you could put a custom image if you wanted here, and they have a lot of different options as well. And these are made really well, so that's pretty cool. Finally, the coolest thing I'm excited to review, they made me a custom RQ's Garage badge. I mean, how cool is this, guys? I'm so excited to give this a try. Dang, that is freaking cool. I'm really excited to turn this on. And the cool thing about this one is I'm pretty sure it's RGB, so it can light up in the different colors. And there's a custom app you need to download to let it light up with all the different colors. But this is freaking awesome. First one I want to do is get these custom cup holder trays in here. So I have my cup holders down here. And real simple, just pop them right in. Boom. Look at that. Nice, subtle. It's really sleek. It's really chill. It's not in your face, because the inside of this Mercedes is a classic brown, wood, and black. And just having that little extra customized touch of my favorite superhero. I mean, that's just freaking cool. Okay, no matter how old or young you are, that's pretty cool. So, the cup holder trays are a win in my book. So far, loving their product. Now we're gonna transition into the two LED badges. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire this up. I have a little mock-up going into the outlet here, but ideally where you would put these, it looks like you'd put this on your grill, so in between your two grill marks. They provide you a flat washer in the back so it can hold just about any grill from one grill to the next. And be sure to read the note that they have attached to the wire. They want you to use a 2 amp fuse to a 12 volt power source. But other than that, I wanted to show you what it looks like because I'm excited to see this product. And the final result. Look at that. Guys, that is pretty freaking cool if you ask me. I love Spider-Man, as you all know. In the back, it looks like it has a couple LED marks and it's just a clear plate, but it's shining in the front with that red spider logo. So you're driving at night and someone sees this at your front grill or sees it on your passenger side window facing outward. I mean, that's pretty cool. Atomic badges are made by owners for owners. They sought out to solve a problem. They've realized that accessory companies have long lead times and have poor quality, and they're only in the business to make a quick buck. Well, Atomic Car Concepts is different. They're here because they love it. Their prices are fair, and they stand behind their work. They're here to make awesome products that they're proud to put our name behind. All products are made from a special industrial-grade plastic that is weather and UV protective. Mounting options include very high bond automotive tape or stainless steel hardware for grill mounting. You can fully customize text badges that start at $30 and ship within a week. Or you can upload your very own logo and have it made into a custom badge that start around $70. And just like that, there's the RQ Garage's logo. With some RGB lighting, that thing is pretty freaking cool. And it's customizable too within the app. So here I have the app downloaded in the background, and it changes colors depending on where I'm putting my finger. Go strict colors, classic, different hues. Wow, that's very impressive. Hey, Wow, it even has a little microphone so it knows when I am speaking. That's pretty cool. So this is really cool. Within the app, you have different settings where you can change fade colors from green to blue. This one, you have a 7-color strobe light, a red strobe flash, and you can adjust the speed of the flash and even the brightness of the flash. What else we got here? Green strobe flash. It's too fast. That's trippy. Blue strobe flash, yellow, static red, so just keep it one color. Static blue. Ooh, cayenne, I like that one. Static yellow. A 3-color jump. Adjust the speed a little bit. Dang. 7-color jump. Guys, this is such a cool product. I actually want to put this on my car. This is going somewhere. This is going somewhere. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's product review video. Atomic Car Concepts, they do some pretty cool stuff. I really, really like this custom sign that they made for me. And the coolest part about this, if you guys use my code RQsGarage, you can get 20% off your next purchase from Atomic Car Concept. I got the website link below. Go check them out. Incredible website, incredible products, and you guys are gonna love it. Great build, great quality, incredible products. I'm Rami, this is RQ's Garage. Thank you so much. I love you. We'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, and shout out for this hat. It's pretty cool.